Script 15 car hacks to make your car last forever. Most people think cars break down because they're old or poorly built. The truth, over 90% of breakdowns happen because of poor maintenance or ignored warning signs. The good news is, with the right care, your car can run for 500,000 miles or even more without draining your wallet on major repairs. Today, I'll share 15 car hacks that can dramatically extend your car's life. These aren't gimmicks, they're smart habits every car owner should know. Let's start with number 15. Hack 15. Always use quality engine oil. Think of oil as your engine's blood. Cheap oil thickens and breaks down quickly, creating sludge that blocks passages and starves moving parts. That bargain oil change can actually cost you an entire engine. The fix: always use full synthetic oil from trusted brands. Synthetic oil resists breakdown, protects under extreme heat, and flows better in cold weather. Pro tip: stick to the viscosity your manufacturer recommends, like 5-30 or 0W20. The right grade keeps lubrication consistent and improves fuel economy. Hack 14. Don't neglect the air filter. Your engine needs the perfect mix of air and fuel. A clogged filter blocks airflow, forcing the engine to burn more fuel for the same power. Result: weak performance and higher gas bills. The fix: check the air filter every 12,000 miles, or sooner if you drive in dusty areas. A clean filter can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Pro tip: hold the filter up to light. If you can't see light through it, it's time to replace. Hack 13. Warm up your car the right way. Old advice says, warm up your car by idling. Wrong. Modern engines are fuel-injected and designed to be driven. Idling too long keeps the engine cold, washing oil off the cylinders and wasting fuel. Dawdle's the fix: start the engine, wait 20 to 30 seconds for oil circulation, then drive gently until it reaches normal operating temperature. Pro tip: driving under light load warms up not just the engine, but also the transmission and differential. Hack 12. Replace power steering fluid. Power steering fluid operates under extreme pressure. Over time it absorbs moisture and metal particles, turning into corrosive liquid that wears out pumps and steering racks. Dawdle's the fix: replace power steering fluid every 50,000 miles or 4 years. Don't wait for noise or stiffness, that means damage has already started. Pro tip: fluid should be clear or slightly pink. Dark, burnt-smelling fluid, urgent replacement. Hack 11. Oil change intervals. Manufacturers advertise 10,000-mile oil intervals to make ownership look cheap. But mechanics see the damage: sludge, worn seals, and premature engine wear. Dawdle's the fix: change oil every 5,000 miles with synthetic. This interval is the sweet spot for long engine life, especially in stop-and-go traffic or extreme climates. Pro tip: keep a log on your phone. Consistency is more important than brand loyalty. Hack 10. Transmission fluid service. Transmission repairs are some of the most expensive, $3,000. The scary part: damage builds long before symptoms show. Dawdle's the fix: do a drain and fill every 60,000 miles, 90,000 for hybrids. Avoid flushing older neglected transmissions, as it can dislodge debris holding worn parts together. Pro tip: always use manufacturer-specific fluid, like Honda ATF DW1, Toyota WS. Universal fluids often shorten transmission life. Hack 9. Don't ignore coolant. Coolant isn't just antifreeze. It prevents internal corrosion, cavitation, and electrolysis. Once additives break down, the liquid turns into plain water, eating away at aluminum heads and engine blocks. Dawdle's the fix: replace coolant every 5 years or 100,000 miles. Always use the exact type recommended: green, orange, pink, etc. Mixing types can cause chemical reactions that corrode parts. Pro tip: check coolant color. If it looks rusty, brown, or has floating particles, replace it immediately. Hack 8. Change the fuel filter. Even lifetime filters clog eventually, starving the fuel pump and injectors. This forces the pump to overwork and fail prematurely. Dawdle's the fix: replace every 30,000 miles, or 60,000 if specified. Cheap insurance against a $700 plus fuel pump replacement. Pro tip: hesitation during acceleration or hard starting is often a clogged filter, not a bad pump. Hack 7. Don't overlook spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mix. Worn plugs cause misfires, poor mileage, and can ruin your catalytic converter. Dawdle's the fix: replace plugs every 60,000 miles, even if they're long-life iridium or platinum. Pro tip: if your check engine light is flashing, change plugs before running expensive diagnostic scans. Hack 6. Watch the serpentine belt. That single belt powers your alternator, water pump, AC, and power steering. Unlike older belts, serpentine belts rarely squeal before failing, they just snap. The fix: replace every 60,000 miles or 6 years. Pro tip: change the belt tensioner at the same time. A weak tensioner can shred a brand new belt in weeks. Hack 5. Replace cabin air filter. Most drivers don't know they have one, but a clogged cabin filter makes your blower motor strain, reducing AC efficiency and burning it out. Dawdle's the fix: replace every 15,000 miles or annually. It's often a 5-minute DIY job behind the glove box. Pro tip, a musty smell when using the AC usually means the cabin filter is overdue. Hack 4. Don't forget brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs water, lowering its boiling point. In an emergency stop, that water can turn to steam, causing brake fade or total failure. Doddle's the fix. Replace every 3 years, regardless of mileage. Pro tip, good brake fluid is clear to light yellow. If it's dark, change it immediately. Hack 3. Differential fluid. Differentials handle constant pressure between gears, but have no filtration. Old fluid turns thick and abrasive, grinding away bearings and gears. Doddle's the fix. Change every 50,000 miles, more often if you tow or drive in harsh conditions. Pro tip, limited slip differentials often require special additives. Check your manual. Hack 2. Timing belt. If your car uses a timing belt, it's a ticking time bomb when ignored. One snap, bent valves, cracked pistons, and possibly a destroyed engine. Doddle's the fix. Replace every 90,000 miles or 7 years. Pro tip, replace the water pump at the same time. They share the same labor. Saves you from paying twice. Hack 1. Pay attention to early warning signs. The most powerful hack? Awareness. Small signs often warn of big problems. Grinding when braking. Warn pads before they ruin rotors. Vibration at certain speeds. Tire or suspension issue. Doddle's the fix. Do a 30-second check before driving. Listen, look and smell for anything unusual. Pro tip, keep a simple maintenance log. Tracking patterns helps you catch issues early, before they turn expensive. Final thought, your car doesn't have to age badly. Follow these 15 hacks, and your car could easily outlast most people's expectations, saving you thousands in repairs. Which hack surprised you the most? Comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more smart car tips.